Tonight, we're deeply honored to have with us the artists who first brought these stories and these friendships to life. Kasama po natin ngayong gabi ang ilan sa OG cast ng Bagets, Miss Chanda Romero, Miss Yayo Aguila, and Mr. Aga Muda.
Oh, ano, ready na ba tayo sumayaw? Kasama kayo dyan!